Hello everybody, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, in this video I'm gonna be showing you how to fix an update is required to use solar data mobile data on this iPhone. If you try to use mobile data on your iPhone and you are facing this type of error, then I'll show you how can you fix it. So just simply close this page, and after that guys, you have to open settings, and just simply you have to scroll it on, tap on general, then go to about, and make sure that you don't have any pending carrier update here. If you have, just simply update your carrier setting and then check the form has been fixed or not. And in the process this there guys, you have to open settings, just simply turn on aeroplane mode at least for the 60 seconds and then turn it off, and then check if the form has been fixed or not. And if also this there guys, then you have to close this page, and then you have to open settings, then scroll it down, tap on general, scroll it down all the way, try to shut down your device at least for the 60 seconds and turn it on again, and then check if the form has been fixed or not. And if the once again here guys, just simply you have to remove SIM tray from your phone, and just simply take out SIM and try to clean your SIMs or SIM tray, and then reinsert it again and check if the form has been fixed or not. And to also guess there guys, you have to open settings, and then you have to scroll it down, tap on general, then scroll it down, tap on data and time, and make sure that if these two colors turned on, so you have to turn on set automatically, and then go back from here and then check the form has been fixed or not. And also guess there guys, just simply open settings again, then you have to tap on general, scroll it on, tap on transfer reset, tap on reset network setting. Now you have to tap on reset network setting to confirm the process. This will delete all network setting, returning them to factory defaults. And after that guys, just simply try to check whether the form has been fixed or not. And if the bounce against there guys, then you have to contact your carrier service provider, and hopefully they will fix your problem as soon as possible. So this is guys for today's video. If the video is helpful, please like and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.